Mm, mm. It's super, super juicy. Turkey Day is quickly approaching. I'm going to show you how I smoke my turkey. To begin, you're going to pat the skin dry. Then you are going to thoroughly coat the skin in salt. We are dry brining. This will hang out in the refrigerator overnight. Once the salt has done its work, the skin will go from looking like this to looking like this. Going to take our kitchen shears and kind of clean up some of this stuff. This is not anything you're going to need on the turkey. For the wings, you can either trim these off, or what I like to do is go ahead and kind of tuck them underneath, get them out of the way. And this part of prepping the turkey is done. Let's go on and make a compound butter. For your compound butter, you are going to use 1 stick of softened butter. I typically pull this out the night before I'm going to use it, let it soften up overnight. And to go into the butter, I'm using this Mediterranean blend seasoning by Greek Freak. It is really good. A lot of complementary flavors for that Thanksgiving kind of feel. You're going to roughly use about 1 to 2 tablespoons. And then you're just going to combine this together. Simple as that. Now, returning to the turkey, we're going to begin to loosen the skin up. Kind of remove it. Try not to tear it. All right, all loosened up. Now you're going to take your compound butter and stuff it under the skin. Going to take a little bit of the butter, kind of rub it on the skin itself, on the outside. Since we've already salted the meat, there's really no need to add any extra salt. So now what you're going to do is just hit it with some black pepper. And just a little bit of garlic. This is granulated garlic. And one more thing, since our legs are all floppy, we are going to tie this up with some butcher's twine. Going to pull it up, wrap it around, and tie it off. Snip off the excess. And this is ready for the smoker. For the pit today, we're going to run at 275 degrees for the entire cook. We're going to let the breast meat come up to 160 degrees, and then we're going to remove the turkey. We're going to let the carryover carry it up to 165 degrees. With all that butter in there, there's no need to worry about drying things out or anything like that. It's going to be delicious. We're going to keep the bird on this tray because all this butter is going to come dripping off of it, and we don't want to waste it. You can add this to your gravy. So just put the tray on, 275. We are getting very close to done with this. So what I've done is I've melted a stick of butter. This is taken up to about 270 degrees, and we're going to pour it directly over the skin. This is not a healthy recipe, but it is a tasty recipe. All right, we're going to slice into this turkey breast and see what it looks like. Looking pretty good. One of the things I've learned by pouring the butter over this, it really kind of crisps the skin up quite a bit. And it's not going to go sliding off the piece of meat. So it makes for a better presentation when you're serving this to your guest. Oh man, that is some juicy, juicy stuff. I'm losing light out here, so let's get a taste of this. Here we go. It's super, super juicy. But when you use that much butter, how can it not be? This is my favorite way to smoked turkey. Lots of butter, some thyme, some smoke. You cannot go wrong. By dry brining it, that salt level is perfect. You don't have to worry about over-salting something so big, such a large cut of meat. It's really difficult to over-salt it. But if you give it that extra 15 to 20 hours before you smoke it, dude, it's going to set things off perfectly. Yum. Thanksgiving is by far and away my favorite holiday. If you're hosting a big gathering this year, consider giving this style of turkey a try. It's not only tasty and delicious, it also frees up your oven for all the side dishes you gotta make. Happy Turkey Day. Gobble, gobble. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider giving me a like, a subscribe, or drop me a comment. I would greatly appreciate it. Every time you do that, it helps to push me out to just a few more people. So help me to continue to spread the word. And as always, get up, go out, cook some good food, smoke a good turkey, be a little bit better tomorrow than you were today, and I'll catch you next time.